So it has been a while since we raced any cars outside the BMX track. This is on 2S, stock as a rock, out of the box. And there is our first tumble. Wow, okay. So those tyres on grass are essentially like Badlands, which means if you hook it too hard on the turns, you can see it wanting to tip over. Hey, made it that time. Got a little bit of a windy sound. I don't know what that's about. What? Stay on all fours. Winner, winner. We keep going. Oh! Is it durable? I think it is. Still in one piece. Drive shaft still going. Good speed on 2S. This is zooming along just fine. Look at the rough stuff through all the grass. Nice little jump there. This is going alright. You just got to be careful on grass, on the turns. This thing wants to tip over so easy. Alright, one more big jump. Come on. Ah, didn't make the... didn't get off the ground all that good. Let's try it one more time. Come on. This is getting destroyed out here. It's still intact. Everything's good. Oops. Man, I've been lucky. I got unlucky in that first one. I've been lucky. Oh, yes! The grass is a little bit overgrown over here. What? And back on all fours. I'm pretty blessed. Pretty blessed with this one so far. How's it looking? How's it looking? We have no broken bumpers. Everything's tough. The rear, how's it looking in the rear? It's got a scuff mark there, that's about it. Wheelie bar still intact. Body is fine. Why does that look like it's crooked? Is the bumper bar moved? Oh, okay, hang on, the body's caught under there. There we go, now that looks straight. Alright, we are still fine. Is it back on all fours? No, wait. Save, save, save! No, I can't save it. I gotta go get it. Let's see how it handles the bend. If we can keep it on the track, that'll be great. Jogger coming this way. Here we go. Oh, cuts the bend a little bit. Oh. Oh, sideways. Come on. A wheelie bar must come in handy then. Alright, not having a lot of luck here. Let's see if I can make the bend. Did it. Man, this thing goes good on 2-cell. A little bit too much pep around the bend. Alright, let's go again. Can we do it? Can we make it? Yes. Oh, this thing's awesome. Alright, so here we go with 3S. And we got to do this quick because we're losing daylight. Oh my god. Grass does need a bit of a trim. I can see why they put a wheelie bar on this thing. Nice. Whoop. It's pulling wheelies. Oh god. Oof. Come on. Oh my god, this thing's out of control on 3-cell. Alright, we'll do a couple more laps. And we'll change locations. Oh. Nice. Oh! Something's happened. I know. I must have had a rock or something stuck in my steering. I couldn't turn right for a second then. No. What's going on? I am losing steering. Whoops. Wahee! Woohoo! Alright, let's go big. Alright, here we go, around the bend. It makes the jump no problem. Man, this thing has got some go. Nice. Nice to see the jumps are all nice and smooth, but we've got a forest growing on either side of the track. Oh, here we go, I'm losing steering again. It doesn't want to turn. Oh, something's going on. Oof. Save that. Alright, can we make it? Oh no, hang on. These knobby tyres on dry gravel do it no favours. That has got to be the worst looking body I think I've ever seen. Oh god. Alright, hang on, wait. There we go, we're good. We're good. We're good. Alright, let's try that one more time, shall we? If that's the worst that's going to happen to this truck, I think we're okay to do whatever we want with this. Nice. Clears the jump. This thing has speed to spare. Here we go. Come on. Oh, come on. What's wrong with this servo? Something's happening. I'm not getting consistent steering. And I do not know why. Oh, couldn't save it. That's okay, we're still on our feet. Alright, let's go around the bend. Nice. Okay, so here's the verdict so far on the handling. I think it actually handles pretty good. Suspension wise, I think it's tuned pretty right. The knobby tyres on this dry, loose gravel, it's really hard to get grip with. But if the gravel was like damp, if it just finished raining or something like that, these would grip like crazy. It would be awesome. Power wise, incredible. This thing has power to spare. On 3-cell, it is just as fun to drive, if not more so, than the 1/8 scale. It's on par. There's no doubt about that. I got no problem. 3-cell or the big brother with the 6-cell, same. But you can see here, I'm having an issue with the steering, so I'm turning all the way to the right and I cannot get this thing to go the other way. So something is going on. I've got power. I don't know what's happening with the steering. So very, very interesting. I've never had a problem with any of the ARRMA servos. This is the first time I'm having an issue with any of the ARRMA servos, and it's happening with this Senton 3S. Nice. This thing just absolutely hammers. It's light, it's durable, and it is fast. It is mind-blowingly fast. And it's just taking it. I mean, you've seen the body almost invert itself from that stack. You've seen this thing do endos. You've seen it land on its rear bumper. It cartwheeled I don't know how many times. I have noticed that I do have a crack in my body, I believe, or is that just the graphics? No, that's just the graphics. I thought there was a crack there. That's just the graphics playing tricks on me. It's just a servo that I'm a little bit concerned about. I don't know what's going on here. This will require a little bit more testing to see if there is indeed a problem, or if I'm just having, I don't know, if there's a gremlin floating around here at the track. That's it for this video. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more links to the ARRMA Senton 4x4 BLX, as well as links to my Facebook page, Instagram, and of course Patreon. Thank you again, and I'll speak to you all next time. Come on, man, I thought you were a racer. Oh, he's holding it, he's holding it. Oh, he clears it. Nice. Oh, wow, yeah, keep it going. Oops. Okay, let's not take the beaten track. Let's go somewhere else. Are you having any problems with the servo? Yeah? Way! You're supposed to cut throttle to bring the nose down. Wow! Oh, of course, now that the camera's on. Let's see if I can get it wheeling again. There it is! Oh, wait! there's a concrete pillar right in the ground there. Now I know why they put the wheelie bar on there. This thing is off its nut. Oh, look at that! What the hell, ARRMA? What have you done? You created a monster. What is this thing? Brand new, brand new stock. What's the name? Senton 4x4. You peg it. Oh boy! Whoa. You peg it, and it pops wheelies. It just needs that little bit of a bump, and the front wheels are in the air. Oh, the battery, I can feel the I can feel the battery starting to die. Because this is a used 3-cell too, by the way. Yeah, this is, I can feel the battery starting to die off a little bit. Oh God. What have you done, ARRMA? This is insane.